My name is Mike Hines. I'm a supervisor with Fayette County Public Schools in Lexington, Kentucky. I've got, in a number of different schools, I have the warmers and I have the cooking holds. You can do a large volume of food. For a kitchen who feeds a lot of kids, an older kitchen, it makes it a lot easier where it gives me 14 more sheet pans. And especially for my schools who have very little cooking space, it has been a godsend. It doesn't have to go under a hood. It gives you so much more cooking space, and you basically put it in there, and when it's done, you pull it out when you need it. Very convenient. We do everything from pizzas to chicken nuggets, chicken strips, popcorn chicken. Actually, they do the toast in it and grilled cheeses, and it brings out a really good grilled cheese, surprisingly. I'm really new to cooking holds. My background came from somewhere where I've never seen it. I came into a kitchen and had never had any kind of dealings with it, and you all send someone down, train the staff, myself to use it, and it's just been amazing how it's helped that kitchen improve the quality and also the amount that we can do. And